Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6 if it's not launching or opening. Step 1. Repair the game. Open the EA Launcher or Steam or Epic Games if that's where you have it. Click on Battlefield 6, go to Manage, and then select Repair. Wait for the repair process to finish. Step 2. Adjust compatibility settings. Go to your Battlefield 6 installation folder. Right-click on the Game Executable, Properties, Compatibility tab. Check these options. Run this program in compatibility mode. Disable full-screen optimizations. Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Step 3. Set GPU to high performance. Open your graphics settings, NVIDIA, AMD, or Windows settings, find Battlefield 6, and set the GPU preference to high performance. And that's it. This should fix the launching issue. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more gaming tips.